you want to enable LED flash notifications on the iPhone 16, then open Settings, here select the Accessibility tab, and after that you will need to find the Audio and Visual section. Great! And here we need to scroll till the end to see this LED flash for alerts. Now everything is disabled, but if you want to enable some of the features or all of them, you just need to tap on the switcher and it will be enabled. So, now when someone will send you notification, you will receive it with like a flash LED. So let me just send a message to myself and it's gonna be bright, so be prepared for this. And let's test it. So here is how it will look in your case. And if you want to disable it, just go back in the settings and disable each of the switchers. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.